This is April 16th. A lot of good things can happen this time of year. Today just wasn't one of them. Possible to get up here and see those bull carp run. Got a low pressure coming in. I thought I was on track for an epic day, but not the way she goes. I paddled in vain, but you got to pay your dues sometime. All right, we were fixing to get skunked, and I came to the spot that almost always pays off. Looks like I got a healthy customer here. A tough day. I paddled upstream in the wind. And didn't do any good at all at the creek. Hell, look at there. Not a bad fish. Well, let's see. There we go. First outing of the year. This fish saved me from being skunked. Thank you. Silly, I never fish down past the drop off, but here I am catching fish. Another healthy size. Dinner sized trout. Look at there. Oh, perfect D-hook.